For those of you women out there that are relying on something like this, or some other kind of sleeping aid just to get you through the night, please understand, most likely, you have an underlying hormonal imbalance, as well as high stress being stored in your nervous system that's contributing to your sleeping problem. My name's Dr. Matt Panetti. I'm a neurostructural chiropractor here in Greenwood Village, and today I want to chat with you guys about a couple things that you might not understand about your sleep. Sleep is a cycle. It's a rhythm, and when you get off track through different experiences in life and stresses, it's very hard to restore it unless you have specific strategies and environmental cues set up to reboot your sleep. The average American right now is getting about 5.5 hours of sleep. The average American should be getting somewhere between 8 and 9 hours of sleep, and that's consistent sleep. That doesn't mean you sleep till about 3 o'clock, wake up, and then go back to sleep for another couple hours. Once you wake up, you reset that sleep cycle entirely. So it's important you understand the strategies, the environmental cues, and the things that you can do to improve that, and we've made that easy for you. We've created a free guide called the Ultimate Sleep Reset. All you need to do is go down at the link below, click it, we'll send you your free copy, and you can get started improving your sleep. It's one of the most essential things you can do for your health and for your body, and I hope you take advantage of it. Talk to you guys soon.